Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about Hour of Code. I'm going to make two recommendations for this year's Hour of Code. The first is a Minecraft themed set of puzzles called Voyage Aquatic. In Voyage Aquatic, it's your job to get Alex or Steve to collect a set of objects and to their boat. When you land on the first page, if you choose this activity, you will get to watch this video reminding you kind of the story of the puzzles, what your objective is in using command-based coding to get Alex or Steve their set of objects and to the boat to voyage across the sea. We'll skip the video for now, and I'm just going to pick Alex to show you the layout of how you'll be using command-based coding and loops to learn about what coders do. So here at the top is going to be your mission. You need to need supplies for the voyage ahead, collect a boat from the chest. Okay. So then it's going to show me the blocks of code that I have to be able to use, as well as my workspace. And my job is to move Alex to this box in this case. So I need to move him forward 1, 2, 3 spaces. So I'll drag my blocks over and connect them together. Once I think I have my code together, I will be able to run that code. And you can see I successfully went ahead and got that box. My job is to use as few commands as possible in order to solve these puzzles. I will be able to see the code when I press show code and see that this is the code that I wrote by dragging those boxes. You also may have noticed that I was able to erase some code by dragging from the workspace back to the block space, which I will show you here again. So if I move this block over, but I didn't want to do that, I can just simply drag it back to the block space. So that's Minecraft Voyage Aquatic. It's the more simple of the two. It has less commands and loops involved. However, it is a fun way to learn conditional commands that I think you'll enjoy. So option 2 for Hour of Code would be this Flappy Bird build your own or code your own Flappy Bird game. Inside this Flappy Bird game, which is a little more complex than Minecraft Voyage Aquatic, I'm being asked to go ahead and code my own Flappy Bird game using conditional commands, which again this video will show. And you'll watch that to get reminded of exactly how you're going to do that, but let me jump into the game and show you. So again, my set of directions are here at the top. I have my blocks here as well as my workspace. So they're asking me to use this flap a normal amount to just simply move my bird up and down. So I'll go ahead and run my code. And you can see that that worked to move my Flappy Bird up and down. I can of course try this again, but I don't think I'm going to be able to solve this in any less than 1 block of code. So again, I'm trying to solve this in as few blocks of code as possible. When I advance to the next mission, it's going to be a little more complicated than the one before it. So choose either the Flappy Bird or Minecraft, not based on the puzzle that I showed you, but based on the fact that that is the easiest level that there possibly will be. So if you think you're ready for a little more complex conditional coding, where I've got some different conditions inside those boxes that you can see I'm showing you here, then you're possibly ready for this Flappy Bird set of puzzles. If you want something a little simpler to start off with and then maybe advance to the Flappy Bird, I'd suggest you start with Minecraft Voyage Aquatic as the simpler of the two. I hope that you have fun doing your hour of code and that you got something useful out of this video. Enjoy Hour of Code.